Welcome to Digivix YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about the Saral Jeevan Bima standard term insurance plan by IRDAI. So before proceeding into the review, so I request everyone to subscribe to this channel and then click on bell icon. Also support Digivix through donations. We accept donations through UPI, Paytm and GPay and PhonePe. Kindly support us to run this channel. We don't make money from YouTube or any other third party, so kindly we require your support. We'll go to the video now. So what's about this Saral Jeevan Bima standard insurance planners? So in India we have many insurance products, term insurance products with varying terms and conditions. So if I'm going to buy a term insurance, there may be more plans. Instead of buying it very easily, it makes the the end user confusing, and it delays the taking the protection actually. So to handle this condition, the IRDA has designed a standard term insurance plan named as Saral Jeevan Bima. So this product is going to be launched in January of 2021. So this product is easy to buy, and this is a standard product, so anyone can go and buy this product without any issues. And it will increase the trust between the insurer and the insured, and it will reduce the mis-selling between the insurance agents actually. So probably your LIC agent or insurance agent normally advises you to put in endowment plan, where it is not required to put in endowment plans actually. So also this kind of plans will reduce the disputes between the claim settlement for the insurer and the insured. So we'll go into the detail. So this article is written in Digivix blog actually. So you can able to go navigate through this blog, and then you can able to see and you can comment on this to understand better actually. So what's about this Saral Jeevan Bima plan is? So this plan is aimed to fixed sum after the policy holder's death. So it's a normal term insurance plan, it's non-linked and non-participating. So it will have standardized wordings. There will be no deviation in the wordings, and anyone can able to go and buy the product as like any product in the market. It won't confuse you, and it won't increase the policy holders burden actually. So it's a welcome move by IRDA. So what's about this key features is, so the policy holders who's having age of 18 to 65 can able to buy this insurance plan, and the policy will mature by 70 years. I mean, when the policy holder is 70, the policy will get matured. So the policy holder who's having up to the age up to the age of 65 can able to buy it, but it will mature in the age of 70. So and then the tenure of the policy can be from 5 years to 40 years, and the minimum sum issued can be 5 lakhs and maximum sum issued is 25 lakhs. And then the premium mode of payment can be single, regular or limited payment. That's depends upon the insurer. I mean insurer and insured actually. And the waiting period of this policy is 45 days from the policy issuance. So you need to wait for 45 days in case of any death actually. I mean death of the policy holders. But that 45 days grace period is due to due to the existing illness or something else. But if it is more than, if it is due to sudden death due to accident or something, the policy will pay it immediately. So this what is about this policies? So it's basically non-linked. So it's not linked to a market and it's non-participating. So whatever the profit earned by the insurance company will not be paid to the insured. And it's a pure risk premium life insurance plan. It's a very basic plan. It's called as we can call it as no frills in the banking term. Okay, and then there will be no exclusion actually other than suicide. So this policy will be offered to all individuals without any restriction on gender, place of residence, travel, occupation, and education and qualification. And all this product, all this insurer will offer the standard product from 1st of January 2021, as I told you. And then the only difference in this plan is the IRDA allow the insurance companies to charge the premium as like their own. So it's not regulated by IRDA. So this is the only drawback of this plan. And then and then for death benefit, it's the highest of either 10 times of annualized premium or 105% of the all the premiums paid as of the death before. I mean, there may be some clause for this one. So for single premium, the death benefit will be higher, or either 125% of the single premium or absolute amount assured to be paid on the death. So then what is the maturity benefit is that we will not be getting, I mean, the insured will not get any maturity benefit for this policy since it is a term period, term policy. And then the surrender value will be nil, and then policy loan facility we will not be having any loan facility over this policy. And what is the optional rider can be accident benefit and permanent disability benefit rider approved by IRDA. So this underwriting and medical requirements will be subject to specific criteria and any requirements drawn by IRDA. And there will be a rate of interest on delayed payment, payment of premiums. So on the insurance policy for the it's like a similar product actually. So what's about our view is it's about Digivix view, it's not about my view. So we think that the policy premium cost of this policy will be higher than the normal equivalent policy available in the market, because the standard plan doesn't have many restrictions like existing cover. And then the price to pay the risk mitigation will be higher, so the premium also will be higher. And then with restriction, insurers can price a term product better, and then they can pick and choose whom to cover and whom to not cover. So it's depends upon the how the individual and then the 25 lakh cover is not enough actually. Even for a person who's going to start start a job in with monthly pay of 25,000 is minimum. The 25,000 per month, in the sense it will translate into 3 lakhs per annum, which he needs cover for 60 lakhs actually. So I think 25 lakh cover is not enough for them. And then so only advantage is it will have an uniformity of features, benefits and policy wordings across the all insurance companies. So it will make the customers to buy it, but to simplify their buying process. So and then the product has a maximum maturity of age 70. We don't think so the 70 years of ages is required, because normally in India the retirement at the period of at the age of 60 will happen. So I don't think so after that a person is required to have an insurance, term insurance after the age of 60. So where already their financial abilities will be taken care. So thanks for watching this video, and kindly share this video to your friends and families, and make a comment on this video how you think about this policy, uh, and what can be improved in this policy, everything. And thanks for watching. uh, Thank you.